Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add an end screen to your YouTube videos like this. This is a very quick and easy tutorial. End screens can help you to get more views on your other YouTube videos, encourage more viewers to subscribe to your channel, and also you can use an end screen to promote your playlist and other videos. They are placed in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. So let's get started. The first step is to go into your YouTube studio. To add an end screen, you will need about 5 to 20 seconds at the end of your videos. So you can either add some extra footage at the end of your videos, bloopers, or you can add some end cards. Guys, if you would like a tutorial on the end cards, let me know in the comment section, okay? You can add your end screen after you have uploaded your videos or during the upload. So here in the YouTube studio, we can click on Next or click on Video Elements. Here, you can either import the end screens from a previous video or add them from scratch. Let's click on Add. We will use the import feature later in the video. Here, YouTube has already provided some templates we can choose from. One video here and one subscribe. 2 videos here, and here 1 subscribe and 1 playlist. You can also customize yours by clicking on Elements. You can either add a video, a playlist, subscribe, channel, or a link. So let's go ahead and choose one of these templates. We can move them around, delete, or add more videos as well. So here, there's a red indication because the end screen elements cannot overlap. So make sure they are not overlapping, otherwise you won't be able to save your video. So let's move them around. Here, you can choose a specific video. You can add a maximum of 4 elements to your video. Next, we can edit the length of each end screen by dragging them to either the right or the left. Let's click on play to preview our video. Next, click on save and you are good to go. Guys, kindly subscribe and like if you are enjoying this video. Thank you. So moving on, if your video is already uploaded, this is how you go about it. Click on the video you would like to add the end screen to. Next, scroll down until you see end screen at the right hand corner of your page. Or you can also click on the editor here. So here you can still choose any of the templates. We will go with imports from a previous video. You can also edit the length if you want. Let's save our video and preview it on YouTube to see how it turned out. So let's drag this to the end of the video. These look great and they are clickable, so it's easy for your viewers to watch your next video. And also they can click here to subscribe as well. Watch the content creation playlist next. My name is Efua. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share this video with another content creator. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.